Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. And we have a few options how to enter prank mode. The first one, you can just open the charging case, and if your earbuds don't connect it with another devices, they should enter to prank mode automatically. Or after a factory reset, if you perform a factory reset, these earbuds also enter to prank mode automatically. The third option is to enter prank mode manually, and to do this, at the bottom of the charging case, near to USB-C port, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light on the front side start blinking white. And as you can see, now I have it, so we should see these headphones at the device list. And right here we have it. So we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.